Real Filipina. So yeah guys, a day in my life as a burikat na abot sa Amerika. Ay, a day in my life as a hardworking that didn't yet go to the America. Hi guys, this is Filipino thing guys, that even though you are not riding in the motorcycle, you are still wearing at your helmet. Hi guys, we're just climbing. Oh, yeah. Okay. Na ko. Okay raman kay. Alam sa lang anong wala nila madala. Nakan, gidungan man nila ang kanang kuan, gidungan man nila deliver sa Carmen. O yan, nabilin dito. Yeah. Hi, madlang people! So this again to Real Filipina. Today, I'm gonna update my life with you. I'm gonna update my life. Yeah. So guys, we're just like, ano guys, easy to climb the mountain up the sky. Like that. Yeah. And then, wow, we are lucky that it's not too hot. Too hot guys. Because if it's very hot, and then we don't have any water. Yeah, because I forgot to buy a bottle of water. Maybe I'm gonna be heat stroke. Heat stroke guys. Yeah, as you can see guys, at the back of me, back of me, behind the scene. Oh, unsa ba oy? What's the English? Behind of me guys, the around surroundings are very green. That is a green corn. Corn that after that guys, they will gonna, if the corn will gonna turn into brown, they will gonna harvest it and grind so that we have a rice. That's it. Yo, wow, the sunset. The sun is out. The sun is out, guys. Oh, a day in my life as a burikat na abot sa Amerika.
For today's video, Dad.
Look at guys, we are climbing to the ano.
Backward.
Backward.
Backward. Ay, di mo ka-info sa mga backward ko?
Oh, so we cannot feel the heat. Heat surface. Look at guys. Exercise. Hi guys. So
as a burikat na abot sa bukid.
a day in my life, guys. You know what? Why we are here? Because my project in the here is not yet done. Like they have a lot of materials that needed. So yeah, lucky done, and hopefully it's all enough na guys. Hopefully the contractor is, you know, exact plan or how many that we have. Kasakit sa ako.
Hindi lagi mag-content ka, Ricol.
Okay.
Hala, di na lang kumanarbaw ko. Magataatan lang ako sa bata.
Ano yun? Kanang college graduate but just feeding the cow.
No.
Ano guys, you are a graduate college but you are just feeding the cow in the countryside. Hey, madlang people!
Can you hiring me there in your country? I'm so very hardworking. Sana
Just lang daw guys, just janitor daw.
Yes, janitor is okay.
Halati, I'm so very thirsty na. I'm so dry.
Kay kakon. Mas nindot ko man siya bukod.
Backward.
Backward walking.
Backward walking. Guys, sana looks like na. And
A day in my life as a tiyanak going to countryside.
Nakita. Daot lagi ka ko.
Ha?
Daot lagi ka.
Daot ako kinagtiya.
A day. And guys, come with us. Walk with us.
I-upload yan ako.
Oh, parang naway content. Guys, would you date a Filipina?
With crazy brain.
Yeah. Do you know why Filipina going to laugh when it comes to talk to a foreigner? Because we Filipina likes to laugh.
Yeah,
Because we don't know how to English. That's why we gonna laugh at first before we gonna speak.
Kuli, kanya, kukulitag ko, anak. A day in my life as a Chanak, we climbing a countryside.
Tiyanak, what is tiyanak?
Aswang.
What is aswang? No, I'm not.
You are Aswang and I am Chanak.
Guys, looks like I'm so very old. And Gigi is my young daughter. Nye.
Oh, Hana is like Aswang. Matindot gid mo ginani ko.
Lord, give us water. Ano? Woo! Dagog tiyan. Puro mapuntis.
Nice kay kung sali na basta na sa
Ikaw na po daw ko. Ano ta?
Hi guys, we are here in countryside and backward walking like a walking dead. Walking dead daw ko. Walking dead.
Okay then. Woo! Guys.
Hindi tani na yung signal ko. Na like ano, aswang. Makikita rin bata dato likod ko.
Yan ako di mo. Ay mo hangaw.
Likod.
Panapod be. Yeah.
Kukamao. Masa kay kong kamot.
How's your day, my loves people? Yeah. For today's content, guys, is
Ang kanta ko.
why Filipina buang.
Katong ana dapog-dapog. Chu.
Katong, ang sagat to eh. Abo, ang sa to, I forgot. A day in my life as a burikat.
Abot sa countryside. For today's video, guys.
Yung parang nagbuhat. Ay, anak eh.
Ha?
Ay, gana. So, we are still far.
Bakit ba ka na video ginana?
Huh? Oh, my life. Huh? Actually, guys, if there's someone who willing to climb the mountain with motorbike, we're going to ride. And yeah, that is the road. It's very small.
Ang buwan ako ko.
Ooh.
I'm look like a Chanak.
Yeah, so here. And that is the motorbike of Junior, guys. Junior, it's already dead because of the zombie apocalypse. What if there's a zombie in Philippines? What would you do? Would you eat the zombie first, or you were gonna let the zombie eat you?
I will eat first the zombie. Good, pero in the real life, yeah, it's a movie, it's a movie zombie, but in a real life, generations like that, siguro, I think, it
Itlog pa,
happens.
bilog.
It happens in a real life. Yes.
Me, if there's a zombie,
Because some of the movies, it turns into a real life
yeah.
story, yeah.
Welcome to the countryside. Gigi, you need to protect your head.
Like this.
Like that, you will gonna be suffocate. Suffocating. I complete. Ha guys, are you ready to climb?
Pakita daw katong ma-example.
Oh. Are you ready to climb this mountain just to get your dream girl? Dream girl.
My dream girl.
Are you ready to get your dream girl in the countryside? Or do you want to live with her?
Yeah, then you digging a soil
Yeah.
and plant corn, banana like that.
ATC.
Then you are turned into Pero ang foreigner di man dito.
The foreigner won't turn into black. They will just gonna turn into blushing red, like a red
Violet.
pie, violet. Yeah.
Violet.
They're just going to, just like an alien. Alien. A day. Today, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Yeah, because actually guys, when you are walking at the road with, talking, you didn't know that you already arrived in your house.
Yes.
Yes, so that's why good idea to Hana that like this backward going mountain climbing,
Climbing up
So,
the mountain.
it won't be so very like, oh, I'm so very far, still far. Yeah. Whew. Oh, look at the sky. Look how they shine for you and turn into yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin bones. Huh.
Dili makatong sinol.
Dili. Yati nagbuang di.
Hi guys! Welcome to this beautiful place in countryside. Yeah, it's very peaceful and you know what? It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful here. The birds singing. Yes.
Kanting.
The goat.
Gigi guys, the goat.
The goat is crying. So, as you can see here guys, it's very beautiful.
Country roads, take me home. So guys, yeah, we're just resting for a minute, for a while, because it's really, really hot. As you can see, I'm already sweating, guys. Don't mind my elbow, underarm rather. Oh. Woo.
Kumawang tabi ko. May pa ako nagpukuan.
Gigi left me. She go first. Yeah, because I was just like, I just like stay for a while because I feel like, yeah, vomiting. No, not vomiting. Like something, it's very fast. Heartbreak, heartbeat. I rather, yeah. And then yeah, where's it, Gigi. So yeah, looks like agta, a big foot staying under the lomboy tree. I don't know what is lomboy, guys, English, guys. Have a tree, I rather have a tree. And then yeah, I got to sweating and I'm gonna be fast. So yung done, guys. Oy, our road, it's very difficult. It's very difficult, guys. Looks like mura ko gahubo, guys. Looks like I am, you know that you know. Now, guys, if I were gonna go there, maybe she were gonna walk again. So, looks like, people. I like go faster. Gapo. Hunong sa gudato kay kusog ang signal. Oh guys. Murag mo. Kusog signal?
Yes, it's very fast.
Agta. Oh. Hey guys, so that's my hala kalisod. Unsa naman na cool. That's my father anyway, guys. Hala ka. It's very difficult. But look at that. Look at that people. Hala ka. Which it's very difficult man. Ana, kayo jud.
Surang sa. Hala, kadagat na na.
Brother guys. Oh. Sam, babot ako diato. Salam na uncle. So dai. Guys, we are here. Oh, yeah. Krisha. Hi guys, we are right now here. So that's and the cement and the fire.
Ya, naigagaw ko na ako karon.